Welcome to PlanScape Rendering, where outdoor dreams take shape through design and visualization. We specialize in turning ideas into immersive visual experiences through expert landscape design and cutting-edge rendering. Let's get started with today's video.
Our client reached out with just a few images and a basic site plan for their backyard. Using shared materials, we began planning a luxurious and functional backyard space with zones for relaxation, entertainment, and visual appeal. Step by step, we turned their ideas into a 3D model, refining every detail, from the pool layout to the furniture arrangement. Here's the final outcome. A peaceful, modern backyard oasis featuring a sleek pool, sun loungers, built-in spa, and elegant landscaping. Need to visualize your outdoor space before building it? Send us your site plan and ideas. We'll handle the rest with professional 3D rendering.
Thanks for watching and stepping into the world of PlanScape Rendering, where outdoor visions become vivid reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And for more stunning landscape designs and renderings, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.